Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to tackle my pantry. A lot different from my mother-in-law's pantry that I did a few weeks ago. Not as crazy, but still needs some work, and it's to that point where it really bothers me. It's over my threshold that I have for keeping things clean. It's just not pretty. All right, so here's the current state of my pantry. Not super crazy. It's been worse, but I'm going into, it's fall, super busy time of year. I want to be able to find things super quickly and not have to dig through this stuff that we're not eating anymore, not using anymore, all that stuff. Plus, I get kind of antsy about this time of year. I don't know why. Just like the spring, in the fall, I feel the need to just clean out and simplify. So, anyway, there's some things going on in this closet. I am not sure why. So here is my Bona mop that I keep in here typically, but I broke it the other day because it fell off the hook. And why I didn't just throw it away then, I have no idea. But it's stuff like that. I just haven't dealt with some things, some small appliance side. I use most of the stuff. I'm pretty good about cleaning it out every so often, but here's a couple things that I'll probably get rid of. And then just look at the state of the floor. I hate that when it gets like this. Like I haven't swept in here. I've just been kind of ignoring it. So we're going to take care of all that stuff today. So let's do it. When I did my mother-in-law's pantry, I literally took every single thing out of the pantry before I decluttered. And that seemed to work pretty well. I think that's what I'm going to do this time. I've never done it this way in my own pantry, but let's try that out. So that's the first step, is to get all this crap out. All right, so I got all of the food out, and God, it doesn't seem like this much food when it's in the actual pantry, but it's a lot of stuff. And now I've kind of run out of room to put like my little kitchen appliances. So yeah, like there's a lot of stuff here. So I think what I'm gonna do so this side is all clear where all the food was. Yeah, I haven't cleaned it yet, but it's cleared. I think what I'll do is this side's gonna be easier. I think I'll move these items over to here while I clean these shelves. And then once that's done, then I'll move all the food back in. That's my plan. Where do I start? Ugh, goodness. I've got a lot of things in here I notice that need to be decanted or combined or just thrown away. So this will be fun. Alright, now to put everything back and we're going to declutter as we go. So when I organize my pantry, I kind of zone by what kind of category we're working with. And over here is like the pasta sides, etc. and the snack bar. So all the snacks. So popcorn, crackers. Oh my goodness. I've had these in my pantry for months. Some people like these like protein Pop-Tart things. I just can't stomach the texture. There's something about the texture that I just can't do. So I'm gonna get rid of those. Old chips. Gotta go. I just bought these yesterday, so they'll just stay. I bought all these Cheez-Its on sale. They were super cheap. One of my sons loves Cheez-Its. These crackers have been here forever, so those are gone. I'll keep my clip. Pop-Tarts. Cream of wheat. How old is this thing? February 26th. I just spilled all my protein pasta all over the floor, so that's fine. Oil in a bag, rice. I have a couple left. I'm going to take it out of the container and do something with it. And now I give you the after. Even though this pantry wasn't as crazy as my mother-in-law's when I did that one a few weeks ago, it was just over my threshold for being able to find things and my threshold for being clean. So now that I have this back in order, I just feel better about life in general. Well, that's all I have for you today. I hope you subscribe so we can spend more time together making our corners of the world a little prettier. I'll see you in the next one.